Hello, in this educational video I want to explain to you about the terminal and magnetic current. In a simple words, a magnetic current is the short circuit and the terminal current is the overload. You have heard of the word overload and short circuit before. Overload occurs when there is a too much load on the motor and this overload puts the pressure on the motor coil. That takes and prevent overload. We put a bimetal in series in the power circuit. When we connected the bimetal, such as the current as the motor consume will pass through the bimetal. Bimetal consists of two copper and aluminum plates. When a lot of currents pass, these two plates gets hot and separate from each other and cuts off the current circuit, common circuit. Yeah. They protect against short circuit. The same current passes through the coil. When a short circuit occurs, a lot of current passes through the metal and coils. When a short circuit occurs, it takes time for a bimetal and to separate from each other. Due to the very high currents that pass through the coil, it creates a lever and cuts off the terminal switch. The mechanism of MPCB and bimetals is the basis for this. So the terminal current is called the motor load and the magnetic current is a short circuit. If you have any question about these two things and two words, you can ask in the comment section. This is a bimetal and it's very important uh, device to use in the panel for a motor. And we use instead of the MCCB and conductor and bimetal. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.